Now let's take a situation, sir, on when there's a general feeling from the banks which I work with, regulation is expensive to comply with. Why is it so? Because there's a need for experienced people to look at the regulatory frameworks, understand it, interpret it, and put it into work. It is not a normal BPO, KPO work. It's a very specialized activity. Now with AI, how this is changing? We know a time when a regulation comes, set of people read it, they understand what it means, they look at the policies, see which policy need to be changed, which process need to be updated, which IT system need to be amended. It's an activity which takes months. But today, with the type of business that we are in, you upload the amended regulation into an AI framework. We call it as MagpieAI, that stands for Multi-Agent Prompt Engine, which we developed over the last 3 years by introducing a list of banking terminologies into an AI. Because AI comes with a lot of English language understanding. How can we make it banking ready? So we have put a banking knowledge onto it. Then we put a lot of regulatory knowledge into that. So it's let's call it as an agentic framework which understands banking, understands regulation. So when you give an amended regulatory frameworks into it, what it does is it understands what the change is. It has access to the entire policy repository of the bank. It automatically comes and says, these are the clauses in the policy that you need to amend. These are the processes that you need to change. It also goes one more step ahead to say what change you need to do. So that a work which was usually done by a very experienced banker is now getting an AI assistant to do that. I'm not saying that the person is getting replaced, but there's a good way of enhancing their capabilities and making sure the errors are less and there is no regulatory override. So this is what I would say, sir, the power of that regulation with RBI is put in is going to give to the industry in India for sure.